Right, so funnels can be as simple or as complicated as you want to make them. They can be a simple landing page, probably with an opt-in form to grow your mailing list, which people give their email address for in return for an awesome download or lead magnet. Or it could be an online course, which people can access either by paying or for free. Or it could be a webinar, similar sort of situation. It can be anything you want, basically. It can be simple, 1 or 2 pages, or it can be as long and complicated as you want to make it. But anyway, let's create a basic funnel. So, first step, click on create a funnel, blue button, and give it a name. So I'm going to create a superb how to make a funnel course, something like that. Right, now this funnel will have a unique address on the internet because it's all hosted for you, t4s.site/whatever. And that whatever, whether it be a word or short phrase, is what will appear on the internet where people go to access your funnel. I recommend making this as short as possible. URLs people type in or copy around, the shorter the better. So I'm going to call mine super. So my funnel will be available at t4s.site/super. And I create, which creates my funnel. Now I need to put some pages inside. A funnel is made up of a number of pages. You can access them in a sequential order, or people could jump around depending on how you construct it. But a simple one would be a landing page and then a thank you page. Simple as that. But we need a page. So let's create our first page, which will be our landing page. And I need to give it a name. Now this page is going to be shared with Facebook, Google, they're going to search it, all these sorts of things. So we want to make a title that's enticing. I'll just call it something very simple now. Welcome, or let's make it a bit more proactive. Oops, excuse me. Sign up to my super course. And I complete the web address or the URL where this page is accessed with another word or short phrase. So this page will be available at t4s.site/super, which I previously put in, /whatever. And that will be the full web address of my page. So I might put in welcome. So if somebody wanted to come to this page, I would share t4s.site/super/welcome. Simple as that. And all your other pages will have super/something else, whatever you put in for that page. And then finally, description. Again, it's important for search engines, social media and so on, so you would make it far better than I'm going to do now. But this is the welcome page for my super course. You would make it far more engaging that people would want to come and visit. And that's fine. We can add an image which is shared with social media, Facebook and so on. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to go ahead and create the page, because you can always come back and edit your funnel details or your page details at a later date. For example, if I edit the funnel, I can go back and improve the title. Superb course on how to make a funnel. Including the word super, I could change to something else if I wanted to. So this is all live and dynamic. The page details, we click on this little drop down list here and I can edit the page details, and I can go on here and please sign up. Alright, so that's how we edit our funnel on our page. Right, what we want to do now is edit the page. Now I'm not going to go into the full details of the editor. We've got separate videos on every part of this, including an introduction video, but very quickly I'm going to put in a column, and a container. A container contains as many items as you want, and you can have multiple columns. The reason you have multiple columns is you can give each one a different background, for example. So, do you want to know it all? I could type. I'm just going to quickly put in a title, and I'm going to put in a subtitle. And this is the course you want. So on. And here you can see the container here. I can change the background of the container if I wanted to. Something like that. Okay. Oops. So this is the welcome. I move that around. Don't want to move that around. There we go. So this is a very simple landing page. You would make this as much more fancy and dynamic and so on, but you know, you get the idea. Sorry, I keep moving that around. Okay, so that's our page. I can now exit out of that, and I've got my landing page sorted out. And then I'll probably have a thank you page, so I can quickly create a thank you for signing up. Thank you. The thank you page. And you can create as many pages as you want. And the order on the screen you may want to shuffle around because it may make more sense. So you can just click and drag, for example, around like that. If you're building up a course and all these pages are part of your course, then this is how you can reorder your pages in your course. These other icons I'll explain in more detail on other videos, but very quickly you can lock it so that that page has to be purchased. You can't access it publicly. And if it was part of a course, then I could switch on the menu, and if people come to this page, then a menu of pages for the course would be displayed down the left hand side. So perhaps I'll put up a no, we'll leave it like that. I'll do another video on how to do a course, but that's the basis of it. I'll quickly put in a opt-in form onto here just because I can. So let's just create a 2-column one. Enter your email and I'll send you this awesome thing, whatever, and there may be an opt-in form. You get the gist. Okay, so we'd fill in our opt-in form, see the video on the opt-in form. When you add any element, by the way, when you add any element to the page, there will be a video above every button showing you how to use that element. So when I add an opt-in form, if I go to click it on add, then these videos, which will appear when they are available, they're not as I'm recording this, then just click on these videos and they will show you how to do that, for example, and then give you all the information you need. And that's it really. Other than that, you just play. So that's how to create a funnel, how to create some pages. Very simple, very easy. Nothing to stop you really. Okay, thanks very much.